everyone, I'm here in beautiful Thailand and they have lots of nice fruits and things available here. So this is my mango I got from the store. So this is how you have mango juice when you don't have a blender when you're traveling. So you get a mango and then what you do is you just squeeze it. So basically you're making juice inside the skin. So what you're doing is you're squeezing it, squeezing it, squeezing. And you make it all liquid from the top as well. Okay, so now it's all liquid inside. Then what you do is you take the top out, like that. So take the top out, and it's all liquid, so you just suck it. And you have nice mango juice. Yeah, so make sure you put it in the fridge so you have nice cold mango juice. And don't squeeze it so hard that you make a hole anywhere. You just need to squeeze it enough so, and then you make it all soft everywhere, and then just take the top out. And then when you squeeze it, it's just juice coming out. And that's mango juice, yay! Thanks for watching. Whoa.